How to do crypto arbitrage. Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to do crypto arbitrage, a strategy that lets you profit from price differences across various exchanges. Let's get into it. So crypto arbitrage involves buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is lower, then selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. The key is to act fast because price gaps don't last very long. To spot arbitrage opportunities, use platforms or tools like CoinMarketCap, CoinEcho, or dedicated crypto arbitrage software. These tools show the price of a coin on multiple exchanges in real time, so compare prices to identify profitable gaps. To take advantage of arbitrage, you need accounts on different exchanges. To sign up, verify your identity and deposit funds on at least 2 exchanges where price differences occur frequently. Some popular exchanges include Binance, KuCoin, and Kraken. Once you find a good opportunity, buy the cryptocurrency on the exchange with the lower price and immediately transfer it to the other exchange where the price is higher and sell it for a profit. Be quick as price gaps can close very rapidly. That's how you can make money through crypto arbitrage. Remember to factor in fees and transaction times to maximize your profit. And check the description for links to useful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.